Ever encountered that frustrating CapCut export error? Don't let it stop you from sharing your amazing creations. First things first, let's tackle the most common culprit: your device's cache over time. This can build up and interfere with CapCut's processes. To clear it, head to your phone's settings, find the CapCut app, and look for the Storage or Storage and Cache option. Tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your projects. Next, let's ensure your project is using a compatible file format. While CapCut is quite flexible, sometimes very unusual or corrupt media files can cause export issues. If you've recently imported any videos or audio, try re-importing them using a standard format like MP4 for video, NAC, or MP3 for audio. Storage space is another critical factor. If your device is running low on storage, CapCut simply won't have room to create and save your exported video. Go back to your phone's main settings and check your storage. If it's almost full, it's time to free up some space by deleting unwanted apps, photos, or videos. Now, let's talk about updates. Developers are constantly working to improve apps and fix bugs. Make sure you're running the latest version of CapCut. Head to your device's app store, search for CapCut, and if an update is available, install it. This can often resolve hidden export problems. Finally, if the error persists after these steps, try restarting your phone completely. Sometimes a fresh start is all that's needed for the app to function correctly. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to overcome CapCut export errors and share your masterpieces with the world.